Hello, today we're going to look at how to design a web page. You'll see here that my Google site is fairly plain. My home page has nothing on it, and I want to put something that'll direct my students in the proper direction. Of course, I can always do the simple word processing changes that are necessary. And this ribbon right here is going to be very helpful, and it's very similar to the things that you've used on in the past. Before I begin, I'm going to look at the layout. Right now I have one column. That means just one area where all things can be placed. But if I want to divide that area, I could divide it into, say, 5 different areas. A long area, 3 columns, and another long area, which could be generally useful. Of course, if I don't like that, I can always press the undo button. And I recommend that you practice and look at things and then undo it before you move on. Tables are a little bit different than layout, where a layout is transparent. A table is something that is physical that you can see. So let's go to build a table there. And it'll build it small, but you get to manipulate and change the depth of the rows and the length of the columns and that sort of thing. And you could play around, and then if you don't like it, just press undo and then you're back to where you began. The Format tab is going to give you a lot of the same things that you're going to find up here, minus the headings. And if you know how to work with headings, then it's recommended that you do that. Or you can always just take your fonts and change the size of them as you go along. And that'll work as well. Finally, the Insert tab is where you're going to use a lot of the gadgetry that Google Sites has to offer. By putting in an image, linking a word to a website or to somewhere else in your site. And then Google offers all of these different areas that we'll cover at some point or another. I would recommend that you just kind of play with it and you see how it works, and if you end up not liking it, you can always just go up to this undo button and keep creating. Really, it is difficult for me to show you how to design a web page, since it's a creative process that you'll have to learn and create on your own. And so best of luck, and I look forward to seeing the outcomes of your designs.